Cri Du Chat syndrome by Sydney Batiste. Cri Du Chat syndrome is a very rare disease that occurs in an estimated 1 in 20,000 to 50,000 newborns. This condition is found in people of all ethnic backgrounds. Cri Du Chat syndrome, also known as 5p syndrome, is a chromosomal condition that results when the gene CTNND2 on chromosome 5 is missing, also known as a deletion. A deletion occurs when a part of chromosome or a sequence of DNA is lost during DNA replication. Any number of nucleotides can be deleted, from a single base pair to an entire piece of a chromosome. To start off, how does Cri Du Chat affect the body? It is detected right at birth because of the condition of a high-pitched cry that sounds like a cat. The disorder is characterized by an intellectual disability, delayed development, small head size, low birth weight, and weak muscle tone in infancy. Affected individuals also have distinctive facial features, including widely set eyes, low set ears, a small jaw, and a rounded face. Some children with Cri Du Chat syndrome are born with a heart defect as well. The deletion of CTNND2. Cri Du Chat syndrome is caused by deletion on the short p arm of chromosome 5. The size of deletion varies among affected individuals. Studies suggest that larger deletions tend to result in more severe intellectual disability and developmental delay than smaller deletions. The signs and symptoms of Cri Du Chat syndrome are probably related to the loss of multiple genes on the short arm of chromosome 5. Researchers believe that the loss of a specific gene, CTNND2, is associated with a severe intellectual disability in some people with this condition. They are working to determine how the loss of other genes in this region contributes to the characteristics features of Cri Du Chat syndrome. Now, about C2NND2. The CTNND2 gene on chromosome 5 provides instructions for making a protein called delta-catenin. This protein is active in the nervous system, where it likely helps cells stick together through cell adhesion and plays a role in cell movement. In the developing brain, it may guide nerve cells to their proper positions as part of a process known as neuronal migration. Do you inherit Cri Du Chat syndrome? Most cases of Cri Du Chat syndrome is not inherited. Affected people typically have no history of this disorder in their family, but in about 10% of people with Cri Du Chat syndrome inherit the chromosomal abnormality from a parent that was unaffected. In these situations, the parent carries a chromosomal rearrangement called a balanced translocation, in which no genetic material is gained or lost and they can function normally. Balanced translocations usually do not cause any health problems to the person. However, they can become unbalanced as they are passed to the next generation, for example, in Cri Du Chat syndrome. Children who inherit an unbalanced translocation can have a chromosomal rearrangement with an extra or missing genetic material, such as in Cri Du Chat syndrome, who inherit an unbalanced translocation have a deletion of genetic material from the short arm of chromosome 5. There has never been a correlation demonstrated between the incidence of Cri Du Chat syndrome and any environmental factors, such as radiation, pollution, or medications, except for the 10% or so where parents have unbalanced translocations. The deletion results in Cri Du Chat syndrome is an accidental occurrence. As you can see, the deletion of a single base pair can affect the overall health of our bodies. Although, if geneticists are able to find out what is causing the single deletion, Cri Du Chat the mutation will be of the past.